Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over the GoPro Hero 13 and the Insta360 Ace Pro. We're just gonna, avoid this one. But again, this is a Pro 2 because if you are dealing with it, if you can see the difference between the Hero 13 and Pro 2, then you'll get a better idea because the Pro is, a backward version. So first of all, if you are going for the GoPro, it has new auto detected lens, which is very good. They have a better battery life, excellent quality of 5.3K video, and it has a decent quick app for like quick edits. And the good thing about the Insta Ace Pro 2 is that it has good all-round video, good low light image quality. So if you are taking dark pictures in the night, then this is good. It has good audio, and the cons for the GoPro Hero 13 is that it does, I mean, its previous one, which was the Hero 12, it has no changed resolution. The low light image is not the best. The processing time is needed for like slow motion videos, so that can take up some time, and then additional cost of lens mod because if they don't provide it. And for the Insta360, there is no built-in storage. They have a flip screen, which some people don't like, and the 8K recording does come with some caveats. If we look at some of the few features, as in the design and display, the Insta360 wins that one. But if you're looking for design overall, then GoPro Hero 13 wins that one. The sensory and image quality is a tie, and then the modes and features again is a tie. So the verdict would be that the GoPro has been in the game for the longest, compared to the Insta360, which is very new, and they will still have much more stability issues, like things that need to be fixed, bugs like that. Of the three, GoPro again is the brand that is moving the slowest, even though they are the earliest, but they are going the slowest one. And Insta360 also has like its neat touch screen and a good app. So if you're shooting in a good light, then obviously we would say that go for the Ace Pro 2. But if you know you're going for low light, sorry, if you're going for low light, then go for the Ace Pro 2. But if you are having good light, then obviously the GoPro Hero is your option. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.